YouTube channel. If you do not know me, my name is Patrice, and today I'm going to be talking about this hair right here. I did some passion twists like 2 days ago, and I know I probably should have recorded it like right after, but I did them at nighttime and I didn't get done till like 3 in the morning, so I was sleepy. I'll show you guys a clip of the hair that I use because I was going to use the free tress, but the store that I went to didn't have it, and the other store that I went to, it was like way too expensive and they didn't have the colors that I wanted. So I'm gonna have to look. Well, no, you'll see it in the clip. It shows you the color of the hair and the type of hair. All right, so this is the hair that I bought. Lulu Tress, and I bought it because it was cheaper than the free tress, and it it's longer. It's 18 inches, and they had better colors. The free tress at the beauty supply I went to didn't have any good colors, so I got a 27, which is like this light brown. I didn't want to get like too light, and I want to mix it with the 33. So this is kind of a darker brown. I didn't want to do black because my hair is not that dark. Then I just bought this cheap ass mousse because I wasn't about to buy nothing super expensive because I'm not going to use it for real. I bought the jam, and this is about to bring back memories because I used to have to get this put in my head when I was a kid. And then I bought some rubber bands, and I have a latch hook that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna go wash my hair, blow dry it, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, so this is just a video of me showing you all my hair from the back and the side, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I did use 6 packs of hair, and this style took me about 10 hours. I started at 6 and I was done about 3:30 in the morning, around that time. So yeah, it is kind of time consuming, but that's how long it took me. Okay, guys, so I decided that I wanted to show you what I did. So I took this one out. So I'm not going to take the rubber band out because I don't have any more jam and I don't feel like putting anything on it. But this is it. It's parted. It's got a rubber band on it. It's kind of loose at the base just so I can get the crochet needle through. So take the hair, take the crochet needle, put it through. All right, so I have this is the hair that was already in there. It didn't, when I took it out, it didn't like come apart. So it's like this, and as you can see, like this side is longer and the black side of this one is longer because I draped them over one another. So you kind of like twist it. It's already kind of like compacted, so I don't really have to twist. But you put it over the needle, so it's right there. And then you pull the hook close. Well, it kind of pulled itself close. And then, boom, you pull it through like that. Okay? Pull one side through. And so you have both sides of hair right there. So you take your hair, and if you want to tighten up your rubber band, pull your hair tight, take the hair. So I don't have any jam, but normally I would be putting the jam on it as I'm going down so that it would match with the fake hair, but it's still kind of like compacted. So, and I'm not yanking yet because I don't want it to like shrink up here, but you pull all the way down. You're gonna twist. All right, and so when you get a little past your own hair, you're gonna start to yank like that. And then you're gonna keep going a couple of times, yank again, keep going, yank. And then keep going until you get to the part that you wanna stop at. Usually people put it in their mouth so that they don't put pressure on their edges or on their own hair. I'm not gonna do it right now. I have lip gloss on, but so I'm getting down to the end. So yanking, and then I'm gonna start borrowing like this, and then I'm going to yank just so that it won't unravel. Okay. So this hair was actually like pretty silky when I got it, so it didn't like mat up or nat up or whatever. So, and then when you let it go, it does that kind of untwist a little bit, and then voila. So for this one, I'm going to put a little bit of mousse on it just so it can kind of settle. But yeah, that's all you do. You can like take some water or some product or whatever and like curl the end or whatever. That's what I was doing when I was doing it. And then that's all. Do I got mousse on me? No, that's all. So yeah, that's how these came out. I think they look really good. I've gotten some compliments on them since it's not a fairly new style, but it's making a comeback basically. You know, it looks different. It's like nobody wears these or whatever, and I think they're really natural and cute. Like, this is like a go-to hairstyle. And then you do your little baby hairs and be out the door. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions about these or where I got the hair, if you're in like the Michigan, Detroit, Metro Detroit area, definitely comment, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.